Morel Electromechanical Equipment Company Limited was established in Shenzhen, the world's SMT center, and our team has more than 10 years of experience. We have provided more than 300 medium and large enterprises around the world, such as Bosch, TopView, Flextronics, Vestas, etc., with cost-effective and high-quality products. Morel focuses on providing SMT and its peripheral equipment, such as placement machines, reflow soldering, solder printing machines, AOI, SPI, cleaning equipment, and other equipment that meet the requirements of the EMS factory. We have a complete supply chain management system and strict quality control system to ensure that each product can reach perfect working condition. Morel is a member of IPC and has obtained ISO 9001 quality certification because we believe that strict and professional processes can create high-standard product. Morel has an excellent team, which is what we are most proud of. We believe that only excellent people can make an excellent company. Adhering to the concept of high quality and timely service to customers, Morel has established branches in the United States and India, which can provide complete line design, equipment installation and training, post-maintenance services, and technical support. Our branch always stocks all kinds of consumable spare parts, which can meet the urgent needs of customers in time.